And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to easily create gradient photo filters. We've got this photo right here. Click on this icon to create a new layer. Let's call it gradient layer. Keep the defaults for everything else. And by default it should have the same size as your photo. We'll confirm it. And in this case the color is green, as this was my foreground color, but we're going to change it anyway with the gradient. G is the shortcut for that, but you can click and hold on the bucket tool and then select it as well. There's a drop down right here. By default it should be custom. And you can reverse it. Maybe you don't have red and white as I did, because that's the last gradient that I've used. But it should also be called custom for you. Just left click and then drag it downwards so that it fills the entire layer. And you can see it's red to white. Let me activate the move tool and the gradient tool disappears. And now I'll switch the blending mode right here. If you use green and then go down with the opacity, you can see it has a little bit of a pink milky effect on the photo. And if you use multiply, in this case, it filters out the whites. You've got this nice pink sky and it feathers out towards the bottom. So always use these blending modes. For the most part you want to use screen and multiply and then use the opacity right there. If you want to readjust it, just go to the layer, activate the gradient tool again, and then just draw a new gradient. The other one will be replaced. And you can select both of these points, so the start and the end point, if you click on it, and then use for example the color wheel and change the color. Let's say to green. I'll press Ctrl Z. Now I'll select the bottom one, which was white. I click on this scale, and now I'll make this black. And by the way, I've used the color wheel again. You can find it up here. And I can confirm it, and now the bottom looks way different. And this is how you easily can create your own gradient photo filters in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.